Welcome to the Inner Garden. Today, we journey into one of the most profound and gentle forms of Zen meditation, Shikantaza, a practice of sitting, simply sitting. No striving, no seeking, no goals, just this moment. Just you as you are. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to feel that every moment must be productive, every breath accounted for, every thought leading to some outcome. But what if, for once, you didn't have to achieve anything? What if you could sit and be complete? That is the heart of Shikantaza. Shikantaza literally means just sitting. It comes from the Soto school of Zen Buddhism, and it's often called the purest form of meditation. Unlike other types of meditation, Shikantaza doesn't focus on the breath or a mantra or a visualization. There is no object to hold on to, no mind games. You simply sit, awake, present, with everything that arises and passes. Shikantaza is not about clearing your mind. It's not about feeling blissful. It's about being fully open to whatever is happening without chasing or rejecting any of it. Let's begin together. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Sit comfortably. You can use a cushion on the floor or a chair if that's easier. The important thing is to keep your back upright. Not stiff, not tense. Imagine a string gently lifting the crown of your head. Let your hands rest naturally, maybe one palm over the other, thumbs lightly touching. Close your eyes softly, or keep them half open, gazing gently downward without focusing on anything. And now, just sit. Feel the sensation of your body meeting the earth. Feel the air around your skin. Notice the breath as it moves, naturally, without control. Thoughts will come. Memories, plans, worries. Let them come and let them go. Imagine you're sitting on the bank of a river. Thoughts are boats floating by. You don't have to get in. You don't have to push them away. Just watch, just sit. Sometimes emotions will rise. Joy, sadness, boredom, even frustration. That's okay. You're not doing it wrong. You're experiencing what it is to be fully alive. The practice is simply to notice, not to fix, not to judge. Return again and again to sitting. Maybe you're wondering, am I doing this right? In Shikantaza, there's no right to achieve. If you're sitting, if you're breathing, if you're letting each moment unfold without grabbing or pushing it away, you're practicing. Some days it feels easy. Other days, like sitting with a restless storm. Both are Shikantaza. Both are perfect. Remember, it's not about feeling peaceful during the practice. It's about building an inner trust, a trust that you are already whole, already enough. You don't need to sit for hours. Even 5 minutes a day can transform your relationship with yourself. You can also bring the spirit of Shikantaza into everyday activities. Washing dishes, walking, drinking your morning tea. Simply being fully there. No rushing, no analyzing, no comparing, just living. Shikantaza teaches us that life itself is enough. You don't need to improve this moment. You don't have to need to improve yourself. You are already the garden in full bloom. As we close this session, I invite you to give yourself this gift. Sit each day, just for a few minutes. No agenda, no performance, just sit. Feel life unfold around you, through you, as you. You are the sky, thoughts are the clouds, you are the ocean, emotions are the waves, and in the vastness of your being, you are already home. Thank you for being here. My name is Stephen. If you found peace in today's practice, subscribe to The Inner Garden and join us each week as we explore the art of mindful living. Until next time, just sit.